you guys voted with your views. Nearly 20,000 views since my last Aeon Mall walkthrough. And I guess if YouTube is a capitalist system and votes are money, you guys have voted for the mall, so why not come here during Tet? She really wanted to come here and get some dried mangoes anyway, so might as well walk through here. We're gonna stop at a place to get some clothes on the way here, but there was, I don't know, 4 or 5 cars trying to go in different directions simultaneously, so that caused quite the traffic holdup. Here we are again, crowded public location, getting the funny looks from people because I'm holding a GoPro with a gigantic microphone on it. What a freak I am. My favorite place about this mall is over here. If you guys watched my last video, you guys will know this, is the donuts. This is the only way she can drag me this far across town because it's a 45-minute trip. The only way she can do that is for these donuts. These are the most authentic tasting donuts to America that I've had in Vietnam. They come from this bakery. And I like coming here late at night because right now, let's check the old watch, it's 8:24, and that's when they start to sell off. They discount them because they've been sitting here all day, but they're still just as delicious. So we gotta find ourselves a tray and we are gonna load up, and I will have them all eaten by tomorrow. Feeling good and having those good bowel movements. Okay, we gotta let her pick because I gotta hold this GoPro. Let's see if she knows what I like. So I'm not gonna say anything. Let's see if she can pick the donuts that I like. Those are the ones she really, really likes. And those are actually really good too. It's like a croissant. I got Dennis Leary in my head right now. Croissant with a chocolate on it. All right, let's see how good of a job she does. Okay. Not too happy thus far. She's still serving herself. She hasn't picked the donuts that I like yet. And I've been dating her for almost 2 years now. Those of you are wondering. Let's see if she gets it. I know she will, but just hyping suspense like a good YouTube person would. Oh, she's failing again. She's serving herself again. This guy really wants to squeeze them in front of me. All right, so I'm gonna have to do it for her. I kind of hope she would know the kind of donuts I like. But I guess I was wrong. You know I like these sprinkles. The rainbow sprinkles. That's how I express my tendencies with the rainbow sprinkles. Sprinkles. Rainbow sprinkles.
So you don't want this? You put it back?
No, I'll take that too. I'll take them all. I like these ones over here also. Rainbow sprinkles. She did get one of those, I think. All right. Now we are good. Oh my God. And I'm hungry too, which makes this even worse. How many gosh darn people are in here? Oh, this is the first time I've actually seen this done. Looks like we're gonna bag it ourselves. Is that what we're gonna do? Think so? Are you sure? Yeah, I didn't think so. So here's the line. You got it here. It's like we're in a cafeteria, an institution, for a little tray of food. But here we have a mound of cakes. What nuts are those?
This?
Those pistachios?
I don't know.
Where do I?
You never tried it before?
I'm not sure what kind of nut they are. They're not coconut, are they?
No.
If you guys know, leave it in the comments.
I think it's same, but just different.
Yeah, I'm not sure what they are. Okay, so let's see what the total is going to be. So here we are at checkout. She's putting little yellow stickers on the bags for whatever reason.
We must put it inside. She's not going to do it first.
Ah, she won't do it for us?
No, because it's very crowded.
Gotcha. We wouldn't want her touching our food either. Not her touching people's money.
Yeah, okay.
So the grand total for that was 114,000. And I'll put that up on the screen what that is in USD. But that's, if I were to guess, a little over $5. And she's over there bagging them up. So So it looks like we went to the bagging station first. That was our mistake. It's the first time we actually had to go over here. I can't get by because this girl right here. Alright, let's get these in the bag. I'm gonna kill the camera so I can help her. Alright, so that's 10 donuts and 2 croissants, or is it 8 donuts and 2 croissants? I don't remember. Anyways, if you guys don't know, Aeon Mall is a Japanese corporation. And this is one of arguably the biggest malls in Ho Chi Minh City. I've had people in the comments in my previous video say that no, it's not the biggest mall in Ho Chi Minh City. Vivo City is, or Crescent City, and you know, I really don't know if that's true or not, but I do know this is a Japanese corporation, and this mall specifically has 102,000 square meters of floor space. So I guess you could compare the numbers to the other malls that you guys might think are bigger or smaller, and let me know in the comments. That would be really helpful. But until then, I'm still gonna say this is the biggest mall in Ho Chi Minh City, only because it's the biggest mall I've been in Ho Chi Minh City, and those are the only malls that count for me at the moment. Anyways, this is the grocery store portion, and what we're gonna do now is buy dried mango. Now we could have bought dried mango at like Lotte Mart in District 7, but she really likes coming to this mall. Why do you like coming to this mall so much?
Because everything here very fresh, and they check it very carefully before they get inside here.
Yeah, that's true. It does smell very fresh in here, and it's very cool too. So that means they have their ACs going, and we are going through the freezer section, but it is unusual. When I walk through Lotte Mart and I go through the refrigerator freezer section, I don't feel this coolness. I actually feel like I'm standing in front of an AC right now. So that does definitely help with the freshness. One thing I must remind Hien at the moment is everything we buy, we do have to haul 45 minutes across town. So eggs and stuff like that is very dangerous. Do you want to do it? Okay, we'll do it. That's going to be hanging from a bag, flapping right by my feet for 45 minutes. We'll see how many eggs survive. Last time we did this, we broke 3 eggs. So we'll see what happens this time. Look at all the people in here. It's absolutely crowded. And I don't honestly think this is just a Tet thing either, because it's usually really crowded in here on non-Tet related days.
Shopping before that now.
She likes to come out where there's lots and lots of people, which is a stark contrast to me, to where I don't like lots of people, and I like to get in, get out, and oh, I'm a guy, you know, buy what I'm supposed to buy and get the heck out. But she likes to wander around a little bit. That might be a girl thing.
So one thing I like, because here they never sell the old meat, old chicken, never.
Never.
At night time they will discount 50%. So tomorrow they will get new chicken, new meat.
And those will go all to the cum tam stalls probably. Quick story. We buy our meat at the fresh market, the wet market, what it's called. And the lady there, she tells us what chicken to buy and what chicken not to buy, because the chicken that's several days old she won't sell to us because it goes to the cum tam places. So while it's true you can eat pretty cheap in Vietnam or Ho Chi Minh City at those kind of places, you know, go get some cum tam for like 35, 40K. That's your 5-day-old chicken. That's why it's so cheap. It's always better to cook fresh, eat at home. She discounts it too, from what I've told. I have no idea where we're going. She's probably asking right now. I'm just following her. Very easy to lose her too, because I just got almost 2 people between us, just like that. These people coming through here with shopping carts like this, it's like cars driving around in Ho Chi Minh City. It makes navigation through here, much like navigating the streets, nearly impossible. Right now we are maneuverable motorbikes in this grocery store, or those shopping carts are cars. And that's one of the reasons why we couldn't get her clothes that she wanted to get earlier, because I think there was like 4 cars on the streets and 300 motorbikes, but those 4 cars took those 300 motorbikes to a complete stop. Those, you know, 5 cars is just 5 people that take up the entire street. I've lost her already. Okay, found her. We have caught up to her. That's right, the mangoes were in the candy section. Now I remember from last year. This is where you pick out what you want. You go to a little weigh station, and they will weigh it and tag it for you. I'm gonna ask the lady if that lady works here, which I don't think she does, but I may be wrong. She doesn't work here, huh? The hand with the open palm and the spread fingers like that in the air, and the back and forth shake means no. It's like the same as us in America shaking our head no. Could also mean I don't know, to be fair. I usually take it as go away, leave me alone. People do that to me. I'm not seeing any mango.
Don't follow me.
I have to follow you. If I don't follow you, I'll lose you. And if I lose her, there's no way I can get her again, because the GPS tracking that I put on her ear, she actually found that yesterday and took it off. So, and she doesn't bring her cell phone out. So if we were to get separated, there'd be no way for me to get a hold of her. Maybe next week or so I'll load up the old dart gun and I'll hit her with a trank while she's Facebooking.
Ow! Pull it out. The dart, man. Got a dart in your neck. You're crazy, man.
And I'll slap another GPS tag on her. That way I can keep track of her properly. Then I'll release her back into the wild. I think she's asking again. I could actually probably understand her while she's asking, but I actually can't hear anything over my own voice and commotion inside here. Let me squeeze by those shopping cars. I'm gonna call them cars now, not carts. See, these come in already pre-sealed bags. I remember last year we picked them out of a bin.
Yeah, me too.
So, oh, how things have changed. And last year we did that too. It was COVID, when it was more dangerous to pick from a bin. These things are moving in the opposite direction. Speaking of COVID, everybody's afraid of the Chinese right now. That's all the talk around town is the Chinese tourists are going to come back and infect everybody with the vid. So be on the lookout for Chinese people. They're easy to spot. You can usually find them by their pushing, their shoving, their cutting in line.
If someone skips you in line in Vietnam, yell out this phrase in a confused manner. Trời ơi, không ai biết xếp hàng hả? Đây là gì? Trung Quốc?
Spitting on the ground. Nose picking, you know, stuff like that. That's usually how you spot a Chinese person.
Where will we go back?
Huh? Well, we're gonna have to get in line over here. We have to get on this side, from this way. Look at these guys right here. Now these guys are smart. They let their women go inside while they stood outside and waited for them. Look how healthy they look, how well rested. They got all their hair, no gray. Now look at me. It's quite the difference, huh? That was for the eggs. Chunk of it. Egg meat. Total 154,000. That's $7 for whatever it is we just bought. I'm sure they're weird, freaky eggs. And some meat. The meat is actually really good. Okay, so while the camera was off, I was parked in line because I broke the eggs, I think. I'm not sure. So she had to go get some other eggs. And she got lost finding the eggs and some other, the meat stuff that she wanted to buy. That meat's really good. I don't know what it is. It's like salami and some other processed meat. It's really good. I like it. Anyways, So I ended up having to stand there in line for a bit and letting a lot of people pass by, and eventually she found me. So that was that. Here we are about 15 minutes later. You guys don't want to continue looking at me, so back to all the hordes. Now if you guys thought this was going to be, oh, what have we here? We have some dried stuff in bins. We might be able to find our mangoes here. I would have walked right by it too if she's paying attention and I wasn't. Looks like we might be in luck. I'm catching a bout of energy and enthusiasm, and we might be on the right rabbit trail to do some dried mangoes. Did you find the dried mangoes?
I won't buy because they just bucket in a small bag and I'm like,
Oh, they don't have them here. Well, I totally misread that situation. Okay, so this is the main food area. I think I've showed this before. If you guys thought I was gonna do a full walk around this video, I'm very sorry to disappoint you guys. I just knew I was coming to Aeon Mall anyways because we come here every now and then. And it's Tet, she wanted the dried mangoes. And I just did a video, you guys can check my last video about how much I make on YouTube. And that reminded me, my top video every month is Aeon Mall. MOI. We're doing circles like cattle, like pigs in a pen. No, let's go this way. But if we go that way, we'll just end up right back where we were. So as I was saying, the video that gets the most views on my channel consistently at about 1,400 views per month is my Aeon Mall video. So I figure why not bring my GoPro out here and ramble on to myself. Look like the crazed lunatic foreigner talking into a microphone. Probably what I look like, right? I don't look that crazy. Anyways, we're gonna go find some McDonald's now. So I'm gonna kill this video now. You guys are awesome. If you guys want more of these dad camming, walking around the mall or walking around wherever videos, let me know in the comments. Hit me with a thumbs up or a double thumbs down if you hate it. If you guys really want to help me out, hit that subscribe. You guys are awesome. I hope you guys stay that way.